In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Sephora gift card. To get started, open your browser and go to Sephora.com. Once the homepage loads, look at the top navigation menu. From there, click on Gifts and Value Sets. This section is a helpful place to begin because it gathers together gift-focused options, making it easier to find what you need without browsing through regular beauty products. After you're in that section, move to the search bar and type in gift card. This is the quickest way to narrow the results and jump directly to Sephora's gift card options. Once the search results load, you'll be taken to the gift card area, where you can start shopping featured digital gift cards. On this page, take a moment to look through the available choices. You may see featured digital gift cards first, which are usually highlighted to make them easy to spot. Keep scrolling if needed, and you'll also find most loved digital gift cards. These are useful if you want to choose a design that's especially popular. If you'd rather send something physical instead of digital, continue down the page until you reach the physical gift card section. When you find a gift card style you like, click on it to open the product page. If you're choosing a digital option, look for the button that says Buy Digital Gift Cards and click it. This will take you to the purchase page where you can customize your gift card before checking out. At this stage, you may have the option to upload your own image. This can be a nice touch if you want the gift card to feel more personal, especially for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. If you don't want to upload an image, you can simply continue with the default design. Next, choose the gift card amount. Sephora usually provides several preset values, which makes the process quick and easy. If those options don't fit what you want to give, select the custom amount option and enter your preferred value instead. It's a good idea to double check the amount before moving forward so you know everything looks right. Once you've finished customizing the card and selecting the amount, click Buy Now. That's the final step to begin the purchase process. From there, you'll continue through checkout and complete your order. And that's how to get a Sephora gift card. If you're sending one digitally, it's a fast and convenient option. And if you want something more traditional, the physical card section is there as well.